guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club for you. So this time around I asked my stylist for tops and all she sent me was tops. Specifically I wanted things to work out in, long sleeved yoga tops, that sort of a thing, as well as some girls' night out type of things. And then also maybe some cozy sweaters. So the first thing I have is the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the coziest of sweaters. This is from Free People and it's so cozy. It's got kind of a funky style to it. This neck is very strange. You know, you can pull it up over your face, you can fold it over once, which I wasn't that crazy about. I have it folded over 3 times right now. The sleeves came folded. I prefer them unfolded. The color of it is very nice. It's like a grayish periwinkle color and it's very stretchy, very soft. It's definitely, you know, like a knit sweater. It's not a sweatshirt. It's just big and cozy and warm. I'm kind of obsessed with it. And basically everything in this box is on sale too, which I thought was awesome. So this is probably my favorite piece, which is why I'm still wearing it. So for the workout tops that she sent me, this one is from Zella, and you see it's got that kind of marbly tie-dye thing going on. The material is like that sweat wicking material, which is great for working out. It also has the thumb holes, which are very cute. I don't know that I love them for working out, just because especially, you know, with yoga, if you're doing lots of stretching, sometimes that can get a little bit uncomfortable. On the other hand, it does help keep your sleeves down instead of getting pushed up. I do like this one. I like the stretchiness of it. I like the fit. You know, the tie-dye marble is cute. I don't know that it's my favorite pattern, but I don't hate it either. This one is just a plain black. This one is from Aloe, and this one is incredibly soft. Oh, the material on this is so nice. Very stretchy, very like just buttery soft. It has more of a cottony feel, although I doubt there's any cotton in here. This one also has the thumb holes on it. My issue with this one is that even though it is very stretchy, it doesn't hug my waist at all. And my issue with that is because I specifically wanted these for yoga on cold mornings when, you know, I'm doing down dog. I don't want my shirts, you know, falling up around my neck. It's probably not so loose that it will do that, but I just wish that it was a little more fitted because the material on this is amazing. And the plain black, you know, plain black is always good, right? This one I don't like at all. This is another Free People top and it's kind of got that mock turtleneck thing going on. It's just very wide and floppy with no figure at all, and I know that that's kind of a big thing, especially with Free People, it seems, is to like have shapeless clothes, but this just doesn't work for me because it's plain and dreary and it doesn't, you know, it's gonna fall off as soon as I go into down dog. So this just doesn't work for me at all. I don't like the way that fits. I find it incredibly unflattering on myself. This one, I'm not sure if this falls into the yoga category or the going out category. It's from AllSaints and it's a see-through top. And I love this color, this like Merlot burgundy color. I think it's very pretty. And I like see-through tops. I'm down for some see-through. And you could wear this, you know, yoga style with a sports bra underneath, or you could wear it with a regular bra and go out. Layer it with a tank top or something. I don't know, I feel like it's just an easy, layerable, interesting sort of a piece. So I don't know, I might keep that one. This one just doesn't fit me right. I love this color. I think this color is gorgeous. And I like camisoles and everything, but it just doesn't fit me right. Like it's too low cut and it just doesn't fit me right, which is a shame because it is very, very pretty. This one I was on the fence about when I first saw it in my trunk. I was like, I don't know, maybe I'll try it. It's got that sort of taffeta material and I kind of like the off the shoulder look, but as soon as you move your arms it flops back up and it's cropped and I'm not comfortable with my tummy hanging out. So I would never wear it. I would never wear it. And I tried unzipping it like, hey, maybe I could wear it like a little cardigan. No, it looks terrible like that. So this is definitely a no, but it's a fun piece. I'm glad you put it in there, you know. thought I'd try it. So anyway, those are all of the pieces that I got in my trunk this time, all tops, which I thought was a little funny, but I guess that is what I asked for. So let me know what you guys thought of everything. What did you think? Would you have kept any? Do you think that I should keep any? So I'd love to hear your feedback on what you think. It always helps me make my decisions. And then anything that I do end up keeping, I will list that in the description box. I will also put the Nordstrom links because in case there was something that you were like, oh, I need to have that, Nordstrom. So I'll leave the links for you there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!